Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome. I am Emma, and today we have a short English pronunciation practice.
Hi, I am Nexo. I am ready to listen, repeat, and speak clearly.
Great. Nexo. Today we will practice the sound like in ring.
Nice. That sound is fun. Let's start.
First, I will show you the structure of this pronunciation lesson. Part 1 is words. Listen to each word and repeat the n sound carefully. Part 2 is phrases. Listen to short phrases and notice the sound in real English. Take your time, listen first, and then repeat with a clear voice.
I will listen closely and try again if I need to.
Excellent. Let's begin with the words.
Listen and repeat out loud. Ring. Ring. King. King. Wing. Wing. Swing. Swing. String. String. Spring. Spring. Mango. Mango. Tongue. Tongue. Hanger. Hanger. Sink. Sink. Bank. Bank. Tank. Tank. Monkey. Monkey. Penguin. Penguin. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Singer. Singer. Painting. Painting. Earring. Earring. Phrases.
Good job completing the words. It is very important to listen to as much English as possible.
I feel ready for the phrases. My ears are working hard.
Great, Nexo. The goal of phrases is to listen carefully to sentences and get used to the sounds of English.
Ring. Ring. The ring is gold. The ring is gold. King. King. The king has a crown. The king has a crown. Wing. Wing. The wing is white. The wing is white. Swing. Swing. The swing is in the park. The swing is in the park. String. String. The string is red. The string is red. Spring. Spring. The spring is small. The spring is small. Mango. Mango. The mango is yellow. The mango is yellow. Tongue. Tongue. The tongue is pink. The tongue is pink. Hanger. Hanger. The hanger is blue. The hanger is blue. Sink. Sink. The sink is clean. The sink is clean. Bank. Bank. The bank is near the park. The bank is near the park. Tank. Tank. The tank is green. The tank is green. Monkey. Monkey. The monkey eats a banana. The monkey eats a banana. Penguin. Penguin. The penguin is on the ice. The penguin is on the ice. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. The kangaroo jumps high. The kangaroo jumps high. Singer. Singer. The singer holds a microphone. The singer holds a microphone. Painting. Painting. The painting is on the wall. The painting is on the wall. Earring. Earring. The earring is in the box. The earring is in the box.
Good job. You and Nexo finished this pronunciation lesson.
Yes, I practiced the ang sound and I feel more confident now.
Keep listening and repeating. See you in the next class.